If you've been scrolling through beauty and self-care products, you've probably noticed the heritage store castor oil roll-on popping up as a popular option. But the real question is it actually worth your money or just another overhyped trend? This product is designed to make castor oil use easier by giving you a roll-on format that's portable, mess-free, and simple to apply on your skin, scalp, or even sore areas for potential relief. Unlike traditional bottles of castor oil that can be thick, sticky, and tricky to apply without making a mess, the roll-on promises convenience and targeted application, which already makes it appealing to anyone who doesn't want the hassle. Looking at the facts, there are some definite green flags. It's available on Amazon, which adds credibility. It comes with clear instructions for safe use, and it even lists all ingredients transparently so you know exactly what you're putting on your body. It has also earned a strong Amazon bestsellers rank in beauty and personal care, which suggests a lot of people are buying and actually using it. Reviews are mostly positive, with an impressive 4.6 out of 5 stars from buyers, and many highlight how effective it is for keeping skin hydrated, soothing dry patches, helping with scalp care, and even calming inflammation when used consistently. On top of that, it's vegan, cruelty-free, and hexane-free, which is something health-conscious users often look for in oils. But despite all of these positives, it's not without its downsides, and this is where the balance comes in. A number of users mention that the roller ball sometimes sticks or doesn't glide smoothly, which can make the application frustrating. Others say the oil itself is quite thick, which can feel heavy on the skin and not as fast absorbing as they would like. There are also a few complaints about the scent being a little strong or unusual, which might be off-putting if you're sensitive to smells. So, while it definitely works for a lot of people and offers a cleaner, more portable way to use castor oil, it's not exactly a flawless product that will impress everyone. At the end of the day, the Heritage Store castor oil roll-on falls somewhere in the middle. It's not a scam and it's not a miracle product either, but rather a convenient option for people who want the benefits of castor oil without the usual mess. Whether it's the right choice for you really depends on your expectations and how you plan to use it. If you're curious to try it for yourself, the product is tagged in this video so you can check it out directly and see if it fits into your personal routine.